Hey everyone, welcome back to Shuta's Universe. In this video, I'm going to show you some of my very first DIY bookmarks. I have cut down a sheet of black paper in the size suitable for bookmarks and I'm using a Uniball Signo white pen to draw with. I didn't make any layouts for this and I'm just doing it freehand and purely from my imagination. I have already made some more bookmarks off the camera and I'm going to show you them in the end of this video. I think I will be making many more bookmarks for a project and there will be a variety of types and colors. For this one, I wanted to give it a shape like a feather and just filling in the inside of it with patterns. Okay, this one is nearly finished, but I'm going to show you two more. So stay with me. Okay, I need to tell you another thing, and that is these bookmarks are not yet ready. I have just drawn them and they are lacking the decorations that I'm planning to add to them. Maybe I will do another video with the decorative part so that you can see how they look like in the end. Starting my next one. For this one, I'm drawing a moon and some mountain peaks and some trees, of course. Let's give our mountain peaks some moonlight glows. A big tree just here. Now let's give our moon some lights and shadows, make it a bit realistic. And this is the last one for this video. I hope you like all of them. Please subscribe to Shuta's Universe for more art videos. I'll come back with another video real soon.